What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how I created this image using Midjourney AI and ChatGPT. These images can be used for a number of things. I myself will use these for either a shirt on Etsy, canvas, a mug, or post it on my social media. You could use it for anything you'd want. You just let your imagination go wild. But the detail that comes with this is just amazing. Just look at the quality of the images that you're able to create using artificial intelligence. I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to do this pretty quickly. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go over to Midjourney's website, and this is what you're going to see. Don't be alarmed, don't be scared. This is just what their homepage looks like, and you're going to go ahead and sign in or join the beta. If you don't have an account, join the beta or sign in and get an account. Okay, once you sign in, it will redirect you to their Discord. Midjourney is 100% used on Discord, and you have to familiarize yourself with Discord a little bit in order to use it. So once you go ahead and authorize, it will open up your Discord account or your Discord server. And if you don't have a Discord, just go ahead and sign up the same way you sign up for everything else. Just gonna go ahead and authorize, create an account, use your email, and this is the page that will open up once you do sign in. You will see this little icon on the left hand side showing you that you are a part of Midjourney's server. Now, in order to use Midjourney, you have to follow the rules. On the left hand side, you'll see the info tab. This is going to give you all the information that you're going to need in order to get started. Okay, your rules, what you need to do, don't be a jerk, and you're welcome. So here is where it tells you what you need to do in order to get started. You're going to go into the Midjourney Bot channel and see the attached screenshot. You can check it here. You're going to type imagine, right? It's the /prompt imagine. This is going to open up your prompt menu. The bot will send you 4 images in 60 seconds. Then once you do that, you can take those images and go from there. However, once you're in this newbies section, so let's say newbies 37, this is where it wants you to work off of. You're sharing this one room with thousands of people, so it can get very crowded in here, and when you're trying to work, the images just keep going on in that thread and keep getting pushed up. So if you're waiting for an image to get processed or generated, other users that are waiting at the same time kind of push your image up, and it just gets crowded and you have to search for things. However, you do get to see a lot of cool images that other users are creating using Midjourney here. Like, these images are pretty amazing. I'm a big fan of this one here. Bright and colorful Dari Vader surrounded by Maxim Magazine Girls of the Month. This is pretty cool. And using these type of prompts is giving you the imagery that you're looking for. And we're going to use something like this. Like, check out this one here. This is freaking phenomenal. This is artificial intelligence. So if you don't want to share the server with all these users, you can go ahead and create your own server. Just go ahead and add server. You're going to go ahead and click add server. Go ahead and create your own just for me and my friends. You don't need to do any of this. You can create it as, whatever you want to make it. You can add upload of image, whatever you want to do. Go ahead and add. Now, the first thing you want to do to incorporate Midjourney's bot within your personal server is you're going to have to go ahead and add that first bot, or first app, excuse me. You're going to go ahead here and just type in Midjourney, just Midjo, and just add Midjourney here and add to server. You're going to go ahead and add to the test server here and click continue. You're going to just authorize there. Okay, yep, I am human. And that is it. That is how you add Midjourney to your own private server where you can work on your own projects without being interrupted by everybody else. So once you're in your test server here, it will show you a wild Midjourney bot appeared. Now we can start creating those images that we were discussing earlier. However, I already created a separate server, and I'm going to work off of this based off of everything that I've already done. So then we're going to go over to ChatGPT, and this is ChatGPT Pro, which utilizes GPT-4 as a language model in the background. So just make sure that you are using ChatGPT and ChatGPT Pro and using ChatGPT 4. First thing you want to do is you want to prime this. I actually found a video online of a gentleman who actually did an excellent job at priming ChatGPT, or basically getting ChatGPT ready to provide those amazing prompts that I can use within Midjourney. So the gentleman's YouTube channel is all about AI, and I've been following him for quite a while now, and he is pretty awesome. He really goes in depth and really teaches you how to use the prompts within ChatGPT to get amazing outputs. He also provides a PDF document, which I have here, that he also gives you 10 steps of how to prime ChatGPT for Midjourney version 5. I'm going to show you exactly what we went ahead and did going through ChatGPT. Here is what I actually talked with ChatGPT in order to get the language model to do exactly what I wanted to do, which is get me those amazing quality images within Midjourney. So the first thing I did was I told it, that we were going to create images with a diffusion model being Midjourney. I'm going to feed you some information about it, okay? And you're going to talk to ChatGPT just like if you're talking to anybody on the other line of a phone. Okay, so it's responding with, okay, I'm cool with that. Let me know. Feed me what you want to feed me. So then we're going to feed it the information we wanted to understand. So we wanted to understand how Midjourney works. So we're going to feed it as much information about Midjourney, which you can find on the Discord channel and on Midjourney's website. This gentleman here, if you follow his YouTube channel, he will provide you with the PDF that we're working off, which is just step by step on exactly how we're going to break ChatGPT down in order to understand what we're doing here. So at the end of each of these commands, I'm telling it, hey, I have more info, just answer with red to let me know that you understand. And it's telling me here, yep, I understood, let me know, give me some more information. Then I'm giving it some more information about Midjourney, the version, and everything about that version itself, what's new in the version, everything it's going to need to know. However, at the end of this one, I'm going to tell it again. Yeah, just let me know that you understood that. I have more. All right, it tells me it's understanding, a brief understanding summary here. And then I am going to feed it the Midjourney's parameters, some of the parameters that we're going to work with here, okay? I'm going to feed that, and again, just answer with red. He says, cool, I understand, the parameters, cool. Then I'm going to feed it with the default values, and it tells you, hey, cool, I understand those default values. And now you're going to add examples of prompts, okay? So he says, okay, cool, yeah, I understand how it works. Now feed me some examples of how these prompts actually work. So then you're going to go ahead and start feeding it some of these prompts, right? Right, here's prompt number 1, prompt number 2. So he's giving us some examples here, right? And at the end, just answer with red if you understand. This is how you teach ChatGPT, and each ChatGPT is each conversation. He's going to remember all that, right? So, prompt 1, and prompt 2 is telling you it understands. Okay, great. And then I'm just going to continue to feed it with examples, continue feeding it with examples. So I feel like I've given it enough examples for it to understand what I want it to do. So now I am going to actually tell it that it's a photographer. It is now a professional photographer, and that you will use rich descriptive language when describing your photo prompts, including camera setups. The first prompt I want you to create, again, this is the one that I used to get it started, is a Taino Indian fighting a rival tribe prior to colonization in America. So this is what the output was, okay? This is the original output of that prompt. I don't hate it. It's not what I was looking for as a photographer or a piece that a photographer would take. This is actually art, and I actually am a big fan of this, and I will be using these as some shirt images for sure. Not what I wanted, so we continue. I created a few more prompts here. I want you to act as a professional photographer. This one is a farmer tilling the mountain of a mountainside of Puerto Rico in the 1950s. Here's what it gave me. This one I was kind of impressed. This is when I started saying, okay, I can see where we're going with this. These images look to be real. They look like they were taken in 1950 on the mountainsides of Puerto Rico. Tell me it does not. On these images, I don't see any errors. Maybe his hand here, but other than that, these are incredible. I'm gonna do the same thing here. Now I want you to act as a professional photographer. You will use the same exact copy. And I'm gonna skip this one here. I want to show you the one that I really liked. And it was this one. I kind of integrated this, and here it is here. You will use a rich and descriptive language when describing your photo prompts. Include camera setups. The first prompt I want you to create is a photo of 1500s Native American female influencer. Take inspiration from the formatting from the example prompts. Don't copy, so using this prompt here is what I originally created this image here. These are the 4 images that I got from that one prompt. Then I really like that bottom right corner image, so I took that and I created variations of that one image, and here is what I got. Then I said, you know what, image 3 is the one I want. I selected image 3, and there's some other images, and here is the final result of the prompt from ChatGPT that Midjourney created. It's just a work of beauty. I think Midjourney is ahead of everybody else with this AI generated images. I just think there is nothing really better than Midjourney right now, and I've used quite a few of them. Midjourney just gives you, especially version 5, just gives you some amazing pieces of work. Big fan of Midjourney, and I'm going to continue playing with this some more. If you have any questions, concerns, just let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think, and like and subscribe. Like always, thank you for watching.